President Raja Azmat Ali Kayani is a beacon of hope for the Nambardar community. He leads the All Pakistan Nambardar Association, APNA, dedicated to the welfare and progress of Nambardars. Kayani's leadership is characterized by a deep understanding of the challenges facing Nambardars. APNA, under his guidance, has emerged as a powerful platform for raising awareness about their contributions. Nambardars play a vital role in maintaining law and order, resolving local disputes, and implementing government schemes. Despite their significant contributions, they often face neglect and a lack of recognition. President Kayani's vision for APNA is clear: to empower the Nambardar community through advocacy, education, and economic opportunities. His tireless efforts have not only brought the community together, but have also garnered recognition for their crucial role in the nation's fabric. The Nambardar community in Pakistan faces numerous challenges.
Our community has long served as the backbone of rural Pakistan, yet we are often overlooked and underserved.
One of the biggest challenges is the lack of access to quality education. Many Nambardar families reside in remote areas where schools are scarce, limiting opportunities for higher education and professional growth. Another challenge is the lack of economic opportunities, with many relying on agriculture for their livelihood. Furthermore, the Nambardar community often lacks adequate representation in government and decision-making bodies.
We need a seat at the table where decisions impacting our community are made. Despite these challenges, the Nambardar community remains resilient, continuing to serve their communities with dedication and commitment.
President Kayani understands that addressing the multifaceted challenges faced by the Nambardar community requires a multi-pronged approach. APNA, under his leadership, has formulated strategic interventions focusing on education, economic empowerment, and advocacy.
Education is the key to unlocking the potential of our community.
APNA is actively working to establish schools in remote areas and provide scholarships to deserving students. The organization also conducts vocational training programs to equip individuals with skills for employment. Recognizing the importance of economic independence, APNA facilitates access to microfinance loans to help individuals start their own businesses.
Our voices must be heard in the corridors of power.
To amplify the community's concerns, APNA actively engages with government officials, policymakers, and civil society organizations. Education is not just about acquiring knowledge. President Kayani emphasizes it's about empowering individuals to break the cycle of poverty and create a better future.
APNA's focus on education is evident in its numerous initiatives aimed at making quality education accessible to every Nambardar child.
To overcome geographical barriers, the organization is setting up schools and libraries in remote villages. These educational spaces are equipped with modern facilities and qualified teachers to provide children with a conducive learning environment.
Furthermore, APNA's scholarship program is a lifeline for many deserving students.
By investing in education, we are investing in the future of our community and our nation. APNA also recognizes the importance of vocational training in today's job market, conducting workshops on various skills to enhance employability. APNA serves as a powerful voice for the Nambardar community, advocating for their rights and ensuring their concerns are heard at all levels of government.
We are not asking for favors, but for our rightful place in society.
The organization actively engages with government officials, policymakers, and elected representatives. They participate in policy dialogues, submit memorandums, and organize peaceful demonstrations to raise awareness about the challenges faced by the Nambardar community.
Dialogue and engagement are crucial for bringing about meaningful change.
APNA conducts awareness campaigns to educate the public about the historical and contemporary contributions of Nambardars. They organize seminars, conferences, and cultural events to dispel misconceptions and promote understanding.
APNA also leverages the power of media to amplify the community's voice, collaborating with journalists, filmmakers, and social media influencers to share stories of resilience and advocate for policy changes.
President Raja Azmat Ali Kayani stands as a symbol of hope and resilience for the Nambardar community.
We must remain united, steadfast in our resolve, and never lose sight of our goals.
President Kayani envisions a future where Nambardars are empowered, educated, and economically self-reliant. His message resonates deeply with the community, inspiring them to strive for a brighter future.
President Kayani's leadership extends beyond words.
Under his guidance, APNA has become a beacon of hope, empowering Nambardars to overcome challenges and create a better future for themselves and generations to come.
Our journey is far from over, but I am confident that with our collective efforts, we will overcome every obstacle and build a brighter future for the Nambardar community. His words echo with the spirit of resilience, determination, and unwavering belief in the power of unity and collective action.